Well, Bank of America and Citigroup both out with earnings this morning, and markets reporter Sheila Damarajan has been keeping track of trends in the financial sector. And Sheila, what are you seeing?
Betty, it's been a big week for the big banks. I mean, Citi and BofA came out this morning. JP and Goldman Sachs came out earlier this week. So the market techs talked to a few analysts who said, yes, it's been a good quarter, but let's not get too excited yet. A lot of the stars have aligned for banks to outperform, and a couple of themes that we noticed. First was blowout trading profits. Equity underwriting revenue skyrocketed for these firms. I mean, JP Morgan increased their equity underwriting fees by more than 250%. So big increases there. Second trend is in fixed income, another big money maker. Analysts I spoke to said that wide bid-ask spreads combined with the lack of liquidity, remember, there's a lot fewer banks out there now competing, made for very, very profitable trading margins. And then finally, the third theme is strong execution. Management teams have buckled down and are all over cost. So positive trends for sure, Betty.
Well, and Sheila, I mean, this all sounds a little bit too good to be true, I suppose you could say. I mean, are there anybody out there wary about these?
Absolutely. Things are always too good to be true sometimes. You know, analysts I spoke to don't think that trading revenues are sustainable. Lots of one-time bank recapitalizations. And remember, a lot fewer banks out there. So competition, which means less liquidity and bigger profits. You know, another concern is credit quality, particularly in the commercial side of things. Take a look at this chart. It shows the non-performing commercial domestic loans for Bank of America now for the past few quarters. And look at that 2Q09 spike. They just reported it this morning, and $4.2 billion, which is a 38% increase over last quarter. And CEO Ken Lewis was not upbeat about credit quality getting any better going forward. So investors do worry about things going forward, Betty.
Okay, Sheila, thanks so much for that report on the banks.